It's about 93 degrees out. And I haven't milled the log for a little while, but let's just mill one real fast right now. Here's my trashy log pile. I think I'm gonna go for this one right here. It's bigger and it bothers me, so we're gonna mill that. Heavy. All right, now it's on the ground so I can fork it up. That is a big log though. It's probably actually about 17 feet long. That is about max weight on these forks. Woo! Okay, before we load it, I'm gonna make a judgment call on if I should cut it down or not. So I'm gonna get a tape measure. Ha! 17 feet right to there. Oh boy, mill can only hold about 16.2, so I got to figure out what to do. Gonna take about a foot off it. All right, now it'll fit. I don't need 16-foot material, so it's probably around 15.9. I cut a little more off just to make it easier to get on the mill. Woo, that's tight. 3 inches of clearance. It fits, but just barely. It's bigger than I thought. They're always bigger when they're on the mill than when you see them on the ground. So I'm going to do the same thing that always happens. I'm going to look for any bows. I see a little bit. It's just not enough to be worth it. So I'm just going to take all the bark off real fast and then see how big the square cant is and then decide what to do from there. This piece is pretty gross. All right, we got 2 sides squared. A full bucket of sawdust every single cut. All right. It's not perfectly square, but it's good enough to start making some decisions. It's a 14 by roughly 13. Tempted to just turn it once and just start cutting 2-bys out of it. Fast forward about an hour ahead and the log is gone. And what is in its place is this brand new fancy smancy 38-inch high farm table, a top to another much bigger table, and 1 plank left, which is just a little shy of what's needed to make another table. So that's it. I thought this was like a 2-hour job. It was actually like 3.5. But now it's time for a blueberry smoothie.